transfer money from your Gcash to Palawanpay. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to transfer money from your Gcash account to your Palawanpay account. So first of all, just open your Gcash account, and after that just enter all your details and just log into your account. And once you are in the app, you just have to log into your account using your MPIN and just tap on send money option on your screen. And after that you will see the option called express send. You just have to click on it, and after that enter the name or mobile number of the recipient to whom you want to transfer the money from your Gcash account to their Palawanpay account. And after that just simply enter the amount that you want to send from your Gcash account. Usually the Gcash to Gcash transfer are free of charge, but since you are transferring the money from your Gcash account to your Palawanpay account, there will be some convenience fees that you have to pay. And after that, on the next page you will also have the option to write a personal message to the recipient, and there you will see the option called next. Just tap on it, and this way you will be able to transfer your money from your Gcash account to your Palawanpay. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.